trained in silence, moving like shadow through the folds of the night. He was a ghost of Japanese temples, but who said a ninja had to be a human? No armor, no sword, just raw power wrapped in perfect design, an apex predator unmatched in its battlefield of blue. The Great White is the undefeated warrior of the ocean. A living chainsaw forged by evolution, opening wide to deliver a strike that no prey escapes. 300 serrated dagger-like teeth replace itself endlessly. Powerful jaws can crush bones, tear flesh, and end the fight. Scientists believe that its jaws would be stronger than hyena, lion, and tiger bite combined. This large carnivorous fish is perfectly camouflaged for the ocean. The ocean may be vast, but to this predator, every heartbeat, every wound, and every secret is revealed. It has the largest olfactory nerve of any animal. If we talk about hearing power, the shark can hear every splash and flickers. And its eyes are adapted for both nocturnal and diurnal predation. It has another superpower to detect prey's heartbeat. It's an ocean torpedo of muscles, slicing water like a blade, closing the gap between prey and the predator. Despite of being the largest predatory fish, it can swim at speeds of 35 miles per hour. Stealth, camouflage, lightning speed, super senses, and raw power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe the channel.